Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala and I'll be your guide helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. Before we begin writing HTML programs, let's make sure our workspace is ready. All you need is simple text editor like Notepad or Visual Studio and a web browser of your choice. Let's open a text editor and get started. Now we are ready to create our first HTML program. An HTML program or document follows a specific structure. It consists of elements that define the content and structure of a web page. Remember, HTML is a tag-based language. Every HTML document begins with doc type. This tells the browser which version of HTML we are using. Then we have opening and closing HTML tags. The entire content of the web page will be enclosed in these two tags. Remember, HTML tag is like an outer shell that includes everything within our document. Now let's look into our HTML structure. Within the HTML tag, we have two sections, head section and a body section. The head section contains the meta information about the document, such as title, character set, and linked style sheets. You will be learning about all these in future lectures. The body section holds the content visible to the user. This is where we add elements like heading, paragraphs, images, and more. Speaking of the content, HTML is all about elements, the building blocks of a web page. Each element is represented by a tag. For example, H1 to H6 tags for creating the headings, P tag for creating the paragraph, IMG tag for embedding images. In future lectures, we will be having deep understanding about these tags. As a sample, in the head tag, I will have a title tag with text HTML codes. And in the body tag, I will write my name. Now that we have written our first HTML program, this makes the complete structure of our simple web page. So now we have written our complete HTML program. Let's see it in action. We have to save this file anywhere in your computer with the .html extension. So after saving, go to that folder and open that file in any browser. Here, I am opening that in Google Chrome. Our first simple web page is now displayed in the browser. Observe here, the title has been displayed and the text that is written within the body is also has been displayed. Congratulations on your writing first HTML program. Hope you all have understood the basic structure of HTML document. As you continue a coding journey, remember that mastering these fundamentals is key to creating well organized and visually appealing web pages. Join us in our next lectures as we explore more advanced HTML concepts. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.